Hello, baby.
DJ Dolo.
Yes, it's your friendly phone fanatic again.
The Dolo Records.
Oh yeah, I'm loaded with verbal rap ability, baby. You know you inspire me to poetry.
I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Okay, alright. Yabba dabba do. No, that was ugly. Alright, yabba dabba do. What it do? We about to make some. I'm not even gonna say it. Alright, this is poor people food. No disrespect. This is when you're struggling. But no, for real, even if you're not, I know plenty of rich people. I don't know rich people. I know plenty of people who will enjoy a fine ramen meal. And that's what we're gonna do today. I'm just gonna teach y'all, not even teach, I'm a terrible teacher. I'm just gonna show y'all how I do my ramen. Ain't nothing fancy, it's very simple. I know this just probably look like high cholesterol, but we're just gonna sprinkle these seasonings so that we can have a lovely lunch snack. All right, so what I like to do is, I got this cute ramen bowl. You make your own ramen in it. I got it from the Container Store, and it came with some cute chopsticks. I just don't know. I don't know what happened to them. I'm so upset. I lost them already. I only used this twice. But anyway, yeah. So we're just gonna put our ramen into the bowl, and we're gonna do this differently. I'm gonna put this seasoning packet to the side that came in the ramen packet, and we're just gonna get these seasonings over here that I grabbed from a cabinet. You can put whatever kind of seasonings you want, you know, to your taste. So we got some garlic salt. Sprinkle. Complete. Sprinkle. We got some pink Himalayan salt. I know, fancy. Just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? You gotta add some salt to your noodles. Some seasoned salt. And, you know, you're probably sitting there thinking, these are some Caribbean seasonings. I know. Curry. I know, you're like, what? I know. But I like curry, and you know what I'm saying? Like, why not? Like, you know what I'm saying? They have curried ramen, guys. If you go to any ramen place, you know what I'm saying? They'll have curry at a pho place. I've been to one, and that was an option, and I chose it, and it was great. And this is the key, red pepper flakes. I like a little bit of spice. I like a lot of spice, but I'm not supposed to eat it. This is another spice option. It is Slap Your Mama. Don't slap your mother, please. This is Slap Your Mama Creole seasoning. I put this in a lot of things, but it's not even gonna make it taste Creole-y, whatever you want to say. Oh, and turmeric. Turmeric is great for so many things, inside and out. Why not throw it in there? Let's do it. You know, this doesn't even have a taste. It's really just for coloring. I mean, if you don't mind having more yellowy noodles. And last but not least, onion powder. I'm just gonna sprinkle that on in there. And now what we're gonna do is grab our hot water. Yes, I have a tea kettle. I drink tea. Okay. And we're gonna pour that in the bowl. The water already hot, so that means it's already doing some work for us. You feel me? I like juice, soup, water, moisture, like liquid, whatever you want to call it. I like a lot of that. So after we do that, we're gonna pick it up. We're gonna head on over to the microwave. Put that on a minute. That's all you need is a minute. And we're gonna wait. And now, oh, be careful. Oh, be careful. Oh, be careful. All right. Now we're going to stir this up, or whatever you want to call this. I don't know. Mix it up. Do that. Do that is what we say. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Okay, for some reason my camera stopped recording, so my noodles might not even be hot enough anymore, but here is the finished product. Okay, here we go. Some steam still up there now. Alright. But yeah, it's making me hot. I added some chicken bouillon. I don't know if the last part got that, but yeah, some chicken bouillon. You can get this from the store in the seasoning aisle, bouillon, little cubes, you know, it's literally like the same thing that's in the packet, that the pre-seasoned packet that comes with the ramen. You know, just add a little bit more of that flavor in there, because I feel like I need it. Cholesterol, okay. But yes, we're gonna enjoy this. You gotta serve it like that. No mukbang today. This is not even anything. This is just a little snack. I have to eat something like 20 minutes after that. Anyway, yeah, that's my ramen. Nothing special. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you can do it. Your grandma can do it. You know, the little baby can do it. You know what I'm saying? All y'all can have is this nice little snack. But yeah, I'm glad we did this little cooking class today. I'm gonna see y'all later.